ACI answers the call as a pioneer and leader in virtual reality simulation. Since 2004, ACI has established a proven track record, training thousands of soldiers for the combat environment downrange. Over the coming years, militaries will rely more and more on ground-based simulation to prepare troops for the battlefield. ACI's platform not only saves time and resources, but for the first time, recreates the complexities of modern combat in a safe environment.
So be wise and careful. Are you ready to begin your journey?
We're the F2, this is London,
and it's called football. We've used every single technique that we've learned to build up the biggest football YouTube channel on the planet. During this series, we're going to take you on an incredible journey like you've never seen before, exploring some of the top Premier League clubs, showing you unbelievable trick shots,
and educating you on what it means to be a Premiership club.
We're lucky, you're lucky, it's going to be incredible.
I was with Washington in the dim forest, fought the wily warrior, and watched the dark night bow to the morning. At Concord's Bridge, I fired the fateful shot heard round the world. I stood proudly with Washington on the sun-drenched heights of Yorktown. I saw the sword surrender. I am the Guard.
I saw both sides of the war between the states. The hill of San Juan felt the fury of my charge. I was there. The dark forest of the Argonne blazed with my barrage. Chateau Thierry crumbled to my cannonade. Under the arches of victory, I marched in Legion. I was there. I am the Guard.